Now I am explaining few successful examples of the Mansa Seva. First example, in front of every Brahman. Brahma Baba did the Mansa service. He never went to any foreign country. He never visited anywhere. But through mind he did this service. And always explaining in the Murli, Sakar Murli also, that my children, my foreigner children will come. And Baba always giving the Sakash to all the foreign countries, to the light and might. And wonderful, there are so many double foreigners who always explain that we have seen this Brahma Baba few years before, sometime. So this is the result of Mansa Seva. All this foreign service is the result of Mansa Seva of Brahma Baba. He did such a good service through his mind. I also, when I came in Gyan, I did one experiment. When I took admission in the engineering college, and I took pledge in front of Baba that I would open the center within 6 months, otherwise I would leave my body. And I did the Mansa Seva to establish the center, very powerful Mansa vibration to everyone. And can you believe, in my engineering college there were 2,000 students. I tried too much in every semester, meeting the students, giving them spiritual knowledge. And what happened? Can you believe, within 6 months, 50 Kumars from engineering college, they become Baba children, Brahma Kumar. This was the result of Mansa Seva, my first experiment. Then I did so many experiments and got so much successes. And one of them, again I will mention, in 2005, I organized at Panipat mega program. And 1 lakh gathering in the small city of Panipat, of city is only of 5 lakh at that time, population 5 lakh. And 1 lakh gathering together at Panipat, it was not a common thing. But I know I gave the work to all my surrender sisters and brothers and all BK brothers, sisters also, to do the Mansa Seva experiment for 1.5 months. Daily visualize the ground and visualize that 1 lakh souls are sitting in the ground. And Baba, Mama and all Dadis are giving drashti. Daily we are visualizing. I said, don't have any doubt how will you gather, from where they will come. And it was wonderful on that day. That was the 13th February 2005. In that ground, there were 1 lakh souls were there. And there dies 6 Dadis. Dadi Janki, Dadi Manohar, Dadi Brit Pushpa, Dadi Kamalmani, Dadi Rukmani, and Dadi Bhagwati from Saharanpur. 6 Dadis were there. Bijman Bhai, Amichand Bhai was there. And so many dignitaries also come, ministers also come. It was a unique program, but it was the result of that Mansa Seva. Otherwise it was not possible. Only Mansa Seva brought the fruit. This is the Mansa Seva. So therefore, we should do some very successful experiment and we will get success. I know that one spiritual fair of Brahma Kumaris was being organized long back ago, I think 70, 80, 70, 75. Now what happened? It was being organized in the Ramlila ground. But always when the booking is being done, it always signed signature agreement. If the program of Prime Minister will come, all the program will cancelled. What happened? The fair has been almost, it was established. And the It was just, and publicity was also being done. But Russia president program had been matured at that time to come at India, and Srimati Indira Gandhi at that time was the Prime Minister. She ordered that we will organize the program in the Ramlila ground. But now it was for us very much difficulty. All police officers coming one by one, that we will bring the JCB machine and everything will be dismantled. Otherwise, take this fear out. Dadi Guljar said, do the meditation, Mansa Seva, day and night, meditation, continuous meditation, do Mansa Seva. Give the cash to the government and the organizer. And did the same by the whole family of Delhi. And what happened? You will surprise. The Director General of Police, the highest authority, he himself came to visit. And he said, remove it, otherwise there is no possibility the program order of Prime Minister. Sister said, we will not do anything, you can do. First opening model, Goddess Durga. And he was the worshipper of the Goddess Durga. I will not dismantle this. You have to dismantle because I am the worshipper of. Sister said, we will not dismantle, you have to dismantle. If you want to win Prime Minister on the Durga, you should give the win to the Durga. Then he touched. Then he went to the Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi, and said that the whole fear has been established and it will be a wrong message to the public. They are not ready to remove this and they are saying, okay, you dismantle. And if we dismantle, the media will do the disservice of the government. Then Indira Gandhi convinced. In order to organize the president meeting in another ground, and in all the paper it was free publicity due to Mansa Seva, they wrote that due to the fear of Brahma Kumari's president program has been shifted from this Ramlila ground to that place. That's the result of Mansa Seva. All sister brothers of Delhi John, they did the day and night meditation, giving the sakash, giving the vibration and got success. This is there are so many things, you know. The Mansa Seva. Every Brahman has this experiment of Mansa Seva. You can do some fruitful, some successful experiment of this Mansa Seva. Thank you. Om Shanti. Dhanyavad.